Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Dropbox to enable account security alerts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Dropbox website by typing www.dropbox.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, locate the Sign In button in the upper right corner. Click on Sign In to access your account. Enter your email and password in the respective fields. Click the Sign In button again. After logging in, look for your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. Once in the Settings window, navigate to the Security tab. In the Security tab, scroll down until you find the Account Security Alerts section. Here, you will see options for managing your security alerts. To enable alerts, check the box next to Send Me Security Alerts. Review your notification preferences to ensure they meet your needs. After making any desired changes, scroll down and click on the Save Changes button. You will see a confirmation message indicating that your settings have been updated. Now, your account is secure, and you will receive alerts for any suspicious activity. This completes the registration process for account security alerts on Dropbox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.